Today, I'm going to show you how to make your body look slimmer in Photoshop 2025 using the Liquify tool. If you've ever taken a photo and wished you could make a few gentle adjustments before sharing with friends or posting online, this quick tutorial is absolutely perfect for you. By the end of this video, you'll know how to subtly and confidently reshape your image for a more flattering look, all without making it look obvious or unnatural. Let's get started right away. The first thing you want to do is open Photoshop 2025. Don't worry if you have a slightly older version, the steps will be almost exactly the same. Once you've got Photoshop running, go ahead and open the photo you want to work on. Just click File, then Open, and choose your picture from your computer. Take a moment here to look at your photo and identify what parts you want to enhance. Maybe it's your waistline, arms, or just a general adjustment. Next, we're going to access the legendary Liquify tool. At the top of your screen, click on Filter. You'll see this in the main menu bar. After that, look for Liquify in the drop-down list and give it a click. The Liquify workspace might look a little different than the rest of Photoshop. Don't be intimidated. This is one of Photoshop's most powerful tools for portraits and body adjustments, and it's designed with flexibility and control in mind. Now, when the Liquify window opens, your photo will be right in the center, and you'll have a toolbar on the left. The default tool, called Forward Warp, is exactly what we want for slimming down certain areas. Let's break down how it works. You simply click and drag parts of the image sideways, and those pixels come along for the ride. To make the body look slimmer, click near the sides of the body, not too close to the outline. Start a little inside to keep the edges natural. Then, gently squeeze in from the left and right, almost like you're molding clay. Imagine you're guiding the fabric of a dress to fit a little closer. You want smooth, gradual shifts, not harsh bends. It's important here to move slowly and zoom in if needed. Subtlety is absolutely key. If you push too far in one go, parts of the body might start to look unbalanced, or the background could distort in ways that catch the eye. If that happens, you can always hit Ctrl+Z to undo your action and try again. Don't worry if it takes a few tries. Even professional editors tweak things several times before landing on the perfect adjustment. As you're working, try to keep the body's proportions in mind. For example, if you slim the waist, you might want to check the arms or shoulders and see if they need a tiny nudge for balance. If there's a background with lines, bricks, or text, be extra careful. Sometimes these can warp and give away your adjustments. You can use the Freeze Mask tool to protect areas you don't want to move, which is really handy if a hand or object is close to the edge. When you're happy with the changes, click OK to apply the Liquify effect and return to your main image. Take a step back, maybe zoom out and look at your photo as a whole. If you notice anything odd, you can always go back into Liquify and fine-tune it. Remember, less is often more when it comes to photo editing. Your goal is a natural look. And that's it, you've just learned how to slim a body in Photoshop 2025 using the Liquify tool. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like, drop a comment if you have any questions, or if there's a specific effect you want to learn next, and don't forget to subscribe for more Photoshop tutorials and creative tips. Thanks for watching and have fun editing.